How to use Walmart Cash in store. Let's get started. Walmart Cash is usually on through Walmart Rewards, special promotions like cashback from selected products, Walmart Pay related bonuses. First, check your balance. You can view your Walmart Cash in the Walmart app. To use Walmart Cash in store, you need to use Walmart Pay. Open the Walmart app and navigate to three bars given at the top left corner. Select the option Account, then navigate to the option Payment Method. Add your payment methods like debit, credit, or any cards. Walmart Cash will automatically be applied as a credit during checkout when using Walmart Pay. Now at store checkout, scan your items at the self-checkout or let the cashier assist you at a regular register. When prompted for payment, open the Walmart app and select Walmart Pay. Scan the QR code displayed on the checkout screen using your phone. Walmart Cash will automatically apply to your purchase before other payment methods. If your Walmart Cash balance is enough, it will cover the entire purchase. If not, the remaining amount will be charged to your backup payment method. Example, card or gift card. And that's it. This is how you can use Walmart Cash in store. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.